What's going on, guys? So right now we are inside of a pretty small location. Apparently it was a police training gym, so they got a bunch of like speed bags and punching bags. This must have been somebody's, maybe the maintenance office of some sorts. But yeah, the main gym is out there. We'll go there in a sec. Holy cow. What is all this? A lot of tools and stuff, workbench. Look at all the stuff's even still in the first aid kit. Looks like these were the locker rooms. Women's on the left, men's on the right. Check out this one first. Oh, that don't look like no locker room. Oh, maybe it used to be and then now they use it as storage or something like that. Pretty small bathroom. Oh, this was totally a locker room with this wall in the middle. But I guess, again, they converted it to storage. Oh, here's some more bathrooms. Wow, those are actually really old stalls. Metal. Huh. Oh, that was weird. So right here is the main gym area. And it looks like this is where they would train. Wow. Look at all those posters up there. We're not the vice president, but we come to kick ass. Tons of photos and clip outs of newspapers. All stuff regarding boxing. Even though all the stuff on the walls from like the 90s and the 80s, they got a new treadmill in here, so this mustn't have been abandoned too long ago. That's where the punching bag would be. They still have some up on the ceiling over here. Here's their lockers. Nothing in them. Do have some pictures though. Probably some of the people that trained here. This looks like an office. Wow, look at that mural on the wall. That is cool. Much more clip outs and cutouts. This looks like the head honcho's desk, whoever that was.
Passport photos. You know, these ones I pictured. Not these ones, but yeah.
Oh yeah.
Kids, adults.
That's the biggest light bulb I've ever seen. Jeez. Knock someone out with that. It's probably funded by the city and they're like, we don't need a training gym. Looks like maybe storage. Got a trading belt over there. Erected in 1941, so this is older than I thought. Well guys, I think that's pretty much gonna wrap this one up. Wasn't the biggest place, but it's definitely unique with all these clippings and stuff on the wall. Special shout out to Dan for showing me this place. Go check out his channel, links are in the description, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out guys.